It's a number I got today, and I hope in a world of dealing, The history was connected. Karan alone condi. Whatever I joy Satan can a cut. Karan alone condi. According to me, Tajakanida, and tell no rubber share a monoca internet key, but take a poor falla. It's a children out to take a better take a bomb cause the Bunny Albania could wait. But I joke was in Jack Condial, including Satan maybe. The Satan. My topic is there today. I believe kay min can imagine ko ngida ko wida ko charan karo. I believe Satan can cause taken ke beef ke taken ke gak. Taken go corridor did me no go quick on. Chica gag what then chica gag so no go me chikurum. Malamagwa. Jiran pa ben tell a traffic da wala. But I joy Satan. Kana cause karan. Malam gwa nya yang. Traffic da wala. Ti karan la ran konji. Ko cause kay Satan. I believe long time ago, go ahead to a Satan thing gonna quote. Chica take a beep. Chica take a gap. Chica take a mystical lot. Michika ne jako, Michika jaka guitar to jigak. I don't know who started, but I believe Satan gonna quote. Chica take a issue gakken. Rana ne jar of one was a ranting. I said, okay. And catch it in myself. Because terrible juk, comedian, biba, Satan, comedian gag, Satan, kana quote. What can so I said, since yesterday until this morning, but you go about lot, can't can a lot because I want to release it on my mind. She said, and Gak and could go in a chick gag to Nicomichi room, quotera nyal, quotera core, quotera yo, quotera damni, tell kingdom, then it's none of my business. But chica take a issue, then, with some nothing. I said, so much you could be and continue. You're uncorrect. According to me, imagine on my brains. Go need to be support. Okay? Go need to be a dog quotating. The human being correct. May human being correct. You will run a daba guru daba god ke baba rom ke baba la ke mi sik dit ke mi chadong be god rom. And then God come up with idea but human being correct. Ba lo ko ken Satan. Mo fel la we ko Satan belong. Boku nga hel. Ti ba siane. Bala de je. Satan ni jo wa ka cha gwadin ku correct. Bora ba mo itin ke bro mo itin. Ramo wi anyano. But there be ja chuje ka be ja chuje. Yo ka tin ko chat kan on me on myself. So the problem I don't take ko magoro no Satan to magoro kaji. But you could credit your being according to my when quite hard yeah on my brains. Because telling a beef Satan and I don't have any deal with the Satan. But I ask myself 24/7, what does the devil want from me? I have realized that Rami ko credit like one called Satan. Go bokula one long go relax and then we take a feel when you engage Satan on behalf of him. Are you getting my point? I ask myself every day, and I believe she and Korwada. But you're doing good, you are a nice person, but the devil is fighting you, everybody is fighting you. You ask yourself this question all the time. Why my things are going wrong? Why I am like this? Why I am like this? And then you get confused. This is where I am coming from. I mean, just had my own brain, my own thinking. Because why two cheating gaxin and cause quite a meter can nyal can you can dami can kingdom, they want to be leader, both of them. I have no idea. But the start of Amakuta the at start of what. So you know what this guy is keeping me busy. A human being got correct. Like on Nyachew. I got correct. And then be keep busy. Be cheating, we keep busy. And then we let it go. So we were like a goalkeeper. Coco. Continue to come to go around, but she said, no way, one yam. It's keeping him busy. And then you call no appeal. And I am inside that field, fighting with something that I have no idea. Don't take me wrong, yeah. They say, don't take me wrong. Don't take me wrong. I know why I'm saying this. I go through it on my head. So I'm talking to someone like me outside there. You suffering a lot. You get confused. You're not doing weak corrupting. You're not doing anything wrong, but you're still suffering. Always the devil destroy your thing. It's not between you and him. It's between him and God. They have issues. And you come in the middle. And you know who created you? God created you. And God have issue with the devil. So this thing that we are facing, whoever going through, whatever you're going through, it's not between you and devil. It's between God and devil. And God created you to face devil. And trust me, if you lose, God himself will punish you. That why I take a hell. God created for a loser like me and you. Maybe there's somebody loser outside there. Because we get confused. Because she didn't have not, she didn't cure, she didn't one wall, she didn't move. But you have to go through a lot. Go and find it out. Maybe there's something that you are not doing. There is something somewhere that you're not doing. I believe we all have a reason. Reason a lot of them. Kukus concrete. Maybe making it the right current heritage and not current making in current heritage. Maybe you will suffer. And then you will blame it on who? On devil. God is part of whatever we're going through. Because concrete for reason. Reason in human credit kaje. Wabana binyin kaje itande. Me credit jen kachi bana gwantar. Human being wasn't there. But Tana Ben ka figure. According you are right, Allahana. This is what I mean to share a line on myself by myself. Nobody. It's my first time sharing it here. And whoever want to listen, listen. That's why you see bad people, they're not suffering because they're from the father side. You see bad people, they're not suffering. They're enjoying their life, they're doing good. But when you try to be innocent, of course you have to suffer. You could create la innocent, could create la the book or a banter because then they're busy doing his own thing. Are you getting my points? Bad men are suffering. Good women are suffering. Good boy are suffering. Good girl are suffering. Okay, bad guy are always doing good. Bad man, they always good. Bad women, they're doing good. But the good one are suffering. You see those bad ones? They're not suffering. It's because they're doing what the devil wants them to do. But we don't want to fight devil. And this is our job. When you fail, imagine. And you refuse to go. Exactly. When God sent you to war to go and fight with demon and you refuse to go because you don't know, even with punishment. Oh, the devil, this, the devil, that. God is not innocent. He's fighting us too. Come full picture. Okay? Full picture can come. I'm talking to you, Alana. I'm not talking about you, but I'm talking out of my whatever I imagine, because I know I'm not a killer. Jealous person. You're doing good, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. You are sad, I'm also sad with you. But if you see my life, I'm going through hell. Why do I go through hell? Why do I go through hell? That's the question. I like to be happy. Those who know me in person, follow you online. Those who know me in person, they know me better. They don't like to realize. They know who I am. Share me selfish. I don't support evil things. And that's why I've been thinking. I said, there's something here I'm missing. You see, this guy, Elakusco Concrete, for his own business, not our own business. We don't have a church here. We don't have a say here. Concrete for his own business, for his own selfish, to fulfill his wish. Yeah, but we are become somebody. Take care of feeling, though. That's why making time the banner will be blessed. You can't force him. Even if you are not ready, be now. Be can go like that, be can. Like we're just a robot to him. He's just using us to fulfill his own wish. We don't have a wish to fulfill. We don't have a say. If you won't take me wrong, but I will just say it. I know even God is listening to me, and He knows that what I'm saying is true. Why we gonna make right? I want to come to the world. I did not choose myself to come here to suffer. No, but take his own selfish interest for me to be here. I have to tell the truth. You want to listen, listen. You don't want to listen, you can go. This message we need. Oh, I don't know why I'm suffering. I don't know. This is the reason you are suffering, my dear sister, my dear brother. And this is the reason you're going through a lot. You don't want to suffer? Do bad. Do bad. Your father, the devil, will support you. But when you are in God's side and you're not doing what God wants you to do, which is go and attack demons, even when they did not attack you, you will suffer. You will suffer. You will be in the middle of mess. You will be in the middle of mess. You will be in mess by an end of idol 24/7 because you claiming like you are holy, you're not doing witchcraft, you're not killing people, you're not doing this, you're not doing that, but you do alone is in the mess. And you are holy Mary or holy Joseph. But take do here only. The bad one that you say they are bad, they're doing good. They live happy. They got good family. They drive their dream car. They buy their own house. They live 100% okay. But you, Holy Joseph and Holy Mary, where are you? Suffering, crying every day on your pillow. I don't know what I have done to God. You have done something. God created you for His own selfish desire or His own selfish interest to fulfill. And you are the weapon you want to use to fight the devil. Me and devil, we have no beef. We don't have issue. I have no kingdom. I have nothing for him to look for me for. No. But there is something he wants from God. And God come up with this idea to create me to face the devil. And if I fail to do that so, he will punish me. That's why we see, the devil did no. Sometimes the devil is innocent. He did not ask God to create me or create you. You see? But this guy got cool God, you can't live in halfways. You can't live in the middle of confusion. You don't know when you are wrong. You don't know when you are right. You don't know when you're doing the good thing, or you only see it when your thing become good. You will. I joined the double twin team. Cause I got it and they're not suffering. Trust me. Those who go to church every Sundays, Monday to Friday, there you can see them take them cheer 50%. Didn't go out take them a month at 40% maybe. But the useless one in the nation is zero. The useless one in the nation is zero. You can only breathe. That when you thank God I'm alive. But when we call Shiva in your life, you're crying every day, every day, every day. Even something that everybody is doing, your own will be different. When you enter, your own will be worse. Your own will be worse. My message, you go and do your own research. I don't know how you're going to do it, but I am in my own way doing my own things. I have two choices to make here. I will never confuse myself again. I am on my way doing my own research. I will not serve two kings. Okay? I'm done with confusion. Every year, Kudatin, 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 every year until you go to your hell grave. Every year. Kudatin, 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 it become a song. Kudatin, Kudatin, Kudatin. Really? Kudatin? Of course, God is there. But you forget the reason why you come in this house. You're not coming for peace. If you want peace, go to the war. If you survive, He will award you. If you gone, gone. That's it. We're not coming here for peace. We're here in the war. We are in the war zone. But if you are in the middle of confusion like me, your life will be in the mess, like myself. People will see you that you are smart, you are strong, but you live in the mess. Your family will not understand you. Your friend, they will never understand you. Because God put you there in the middle of that mess because you're not doing what He wants you to do. You will be in the, and you say, I don't want to do it. I don't want to be evil. The devil will leave you there also because you don't want him. But you think you are doing a God things. And God is there not fulfilling your own wish because you're not doing His own wish. You see? And then I'm going, in the middle of mess. We don't know our left, we don't know our right, we don't know we don't know what to do. You can't go in the middle of nowhere. Like myself. Like myself now. As I said it before. You might see my video, you will think that I'm losing my mind. I know what I'm talking about. When this baby start from the devil and God, I wasn't there. I wasn't there. I wasn't exist. Chairman Chalad me terkana yo terkana man terkana guni terkana kingdom terkana goli. I wasn't there. I wasn't exist. But God come up with this like, okay, this devil twice. Satan go on and keep busy while I'm busy, man. A human being was correct. Ramu kana chi kursi and long fully way them and gaja be like ja. Boku nga hell on earth. Hell shall be live. You can go through hell while you're alive right now. You can go through hell right here, right now. Because if you're crying every day, you're burning with a fire that nobody sees, but only you know that you are burning. Only you know that you're going slowly, day by day. This is hell. You're waiting for that hellfire. The hell is already here on earth. Those who go through hell, you are going through it right now. Because if you are in tears day by day, what hell are you waiting for? What hell are you waiting for? You're already in hell. But who did he take it? But you're going through hell already. My advice to you, if you're going through hell and you are alive, you got a chance to find your way out of hell. To find your way out of hell. I go to every church. I did not find I did not find my way out of hell. Maybe I'm going up. Maybe I'm knocking the wrong door. This is not easy. This is serious. This is not easy. This is serious. Because you see those who go to church every Sunday, Monday to Friday, those who pray God every day, God this, God that, they're the one who's suffering. Their children are going through a lot. Their wife going through a lot. Their husband going through a lot. You have to suffer. 99% of them, they are single. She can live, she man can live, God can tell a matam the jeka kwang kung. But Allah didn't call and she didn't choose go and digagaro. There are two people who have a beef. Two people are having beef. The Satan and God. My question here, why God people are suffering? And he's a higher king here. Something is wrong somewhere. God is bigger than a Satan, right? But those who call themselves children of God they are sufferings. My question here is why? But we all been baptized with the name of God. Why are you suffering? And you serving a high most God of the King of Kings, the King of Glory, the King of Kings, or whatever King of Kings, whatever is in control. And even me, the air that I'm breathing is from Him. But my question, Himself is not suffering. He live in peaceful life. He live in beautiful kingdom. He's safe where he is. But if I am His own, why I am suffering? And He got more power. He is a rich God. Okay? Because if He created everything here, what about the kingdom that He lives? Why I am suffering? And my Father is God Himself who created everything. And it's not a poor man, it's a rich God. The question here, why I am suffering? Why I have tears on my eye, not tears of joy, tears of pain, day by day. My heart been broke 1,000 times. And it's there washing. And what I am seeing here, those who broke my heart, the moment you broke my heart, God will promote you. You see where I'm coming from? If you broke my heart, if you betray me, the moment you did that, God will promote you. He will take you to the next level, higher level, and I will be here down on the ground. You see that? You see the problem here? Something is not clear. And I have to point it out. As long as I have air in me that I can breathe, this 2025, I must know where I am belong. I have to know my kingdom. How many people broke my heart? How many people destroyed me? You see them suffering? No. They're enjoying. They're enjoying their life. They're blessed day by day. I still go through suffering. I go through hell day by day. Only me knows that you can see it. Oh, Nyachew, she's going through a lot. But what about me, the owner of the pain? Do you know how I feel? Do you know how bad I feel? I feel terrible. I feel terrible. Believe it or not, I feel terrible. Because television a lot, me can't let a human that ends. You see, I say, welcome Nyagula. You see, I said, Allah, Satan, and of course, they know what they are doing. They have their own problem. They have their own beef. They have their own issues. Then they create us, especially me. Especially me. This 2025, I have to find it out where I am belong. I'm done with asking myself, oh God, why? God, why? Why the devil is after me? I'm done with that useless question. Look my sister. I'm done with that useless question. I will not ask myself again. And I'm done with the word, oh, could the thing. I have seen that song long time ago, and I've been doing it. Could the thing. Jangwang yagat. Nope. I'm done with that. I'm done with that word. Could the thing. And I'm done with all Satan. Go to come, Satan, go to create la enemy. Go, good. As I said it from the beginning. Satan gonna could they have their own problem take a core. Ted gonna you can Ted gonna monkey ki chow ki dam ki kingdom then I wasn't there. And then God come up with his own idea, with his own selfishness to create me. And we been Satan. You see that? Satan which won't open yin ka kon did am talk Satan code you go kwa kon create we kon yin ka je. If you fail to do that so between come Satan kana kut. Bukut ga ka ji, okay? Bukut bukut ga ka ji ko jin. Job the men quick that they see you not doing it. Satan we kur ka chu kur ba nyin ka ji. Because I chago bin nyin ka ji. You see that? You see that. And that's why you see now Satan, they're not suffering. They live happy. They destroy whoever they want to destroy. They do whatever they want to do. And Satan or one Satan available 24/7. And this guy called God is very busy. Then you especially Plymouth. When you call, nobody answer your call. When you cry, nobody see your tears. Now we have to all right moth. Can't imagine if you cry for 30 years. And nobody see your pain. You're in the dark. I'm done with this useless thing called Kodatin. I'm done with that. And I'm done with the word of Satan and we go to come. I already know what the devil want. I've been someday to think about it. And that's why I'm sharing it with you. If you're going through what I'm going through, quit saying that what the devil want you because I credible nyenkaje. Whether we call kaje, they destroy. There's the two guys here. There's the one called God and the one called devil. Okay? You the one know what you are going through. Me one and a God Satan, they're not suffering. God can see a jail. God can see a muscatab. Chow can ka dori can. Mon can ka shin you can. They're very rich. They buy beautiful home. They live in peaceful lives. But those in the Mary, Joseph, Elizabeth, Rebecca, Sarah. That's bullshit. That bullshit. That is bullshit. No, I'm not giving up on myself. But I'm giving up on God. I'm giving up on God. And that's it. This 2025, I have to know where I am belong. I am giving up on God. I'm not giving up on myself. More people broke my heart, more God promote them. Like they're poor. After they're done messing me up, giving me bad name, calling me name, they become rich. They become famous. They become good. You see that? And God is seeing you. God is not seeing me. Blacklist. For whatever reason, he know himself. I must speak my mind because I'm sick and tired. I go to every church. I thought that if this devil will come out of my mouth. The only thing that you are the choosing one, and God chose you. You didn't. God choose me to do what? Suffer? God choose me to suffer or to do what? I'm a woman. I need a man by myself to be on my size. I need children. I need good home. I need my car. I need money. This is the only way I can enjoy my life in the world. Not crying, suffering day by day. And you told me that I will not give up on God? Nope. 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 I'm done. See me the way you want to see me. It's been a year. You are a perfect. You're this. You're this. And it's confusing me thing. This God is selfish. You will pray for them. And that thing will get better. They will do good. You there, you computer, you are suffering. What kind of life is this? No, I'm done. If joining the devil will change my life and I will be happy, I will do that so. If joining the devil team will make me happy, I will not cry again with tears of pain, I will join the devil kingdom. No doubt about that. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. If me joining the kingdom of darkness will bring joy to me, I will do that free. As I said it now in live video here, the whole world is watching and people will watch it until the internet finish while we're talking. If me joining the kingdom of darkness will bring joy to me, I will do it freely. I will do it free. I follow God since the day I was born. This year, I will be 42. What left? Every year. I've been baptized 3 times. I've been baptized 3 times. One more do I want? And what do I what nothing. I'm nothing. I'm like common a woman of God. No. From today, common of woman of devil. Because that's the kingdom that I will join. If doing bad, la devil, huh? Here's the devil thing. If you're hurting those who hurt you by Satan. Ram you to the way to the way Satan. These are the things that I will start doing from today. These are the things that I will start doing today. But I know you call a jalwe, nyalwe, pinjalo everywhere in the world. You're sitting down there crying. I'm done with that things. Jira me change or me nyurieke witchcraft. Badovol. Me nyurieke bud. Badovol. Me nyurieke na me change or kajam. Just know that I'm coming for you. And I'm not joking. This word, they come all the way from here. And I mean every single word. You know, my glory, I'm coming for you. I am damn coming for you. Just know that. If you are the father problem that I'm going through all these years, I'm coming for you. Prepare yourself. And I mean it. I mean every single word of it. Just know that I am damn coming for you. I am damn coming for you. I am damn coming for you. Just know that I'm coming for you. Baga what? Baga chanda? Baga tiang? Baga urunong? Just know that I wake up. I'm done with, could go, yatadi. Could bakondi, look at me. Could you need a lot to jek, any jek? Can you kun with pany kun? As soon as you're all the jek, be to the next level. Could but a think a condial, but I have to do it. I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you know. Because I've been here sitting All this time. Right now it's time for action. I'm sorry, Jilwako. I'm done. Harana chinyago jigo woman of God. Harana chinyago jigo parapit. Kayin bogda. Don't. I will mess you up. Don't do it. Parapin, they're not suffering. Kugo Muidwa could receive. They're receiving so seat. They receive everything. They buy their own private jet. They this and that. They're good to go. I'm not perfect, and I will not be perfect. But I will find my way out of this hell called Christianity. Christianity is hell. Christianity is hell on earth. I get you them, you quell, you this, do that, don't do this, don't do that. But nobody tell you don't cry. Nobody helping you out of your fence. But by you quell, you them, you do this, then do that. When you are crying, nobody's there with you. Christianity is hell on earth. And I'm done with that. I don't want to be Christian anymore. And I don't want to be Muslim. I want to be me. I want to be me. I just want to be me. You're doing good to people. The only way they can pay you back is to pay you back with who? With pain. Okay? Don't worry. When they got on the benefit, when you and charge and be at a mal. So video the bug gag. Ranaching your job shall look Christian. I'm not Christian anymore. And me jamming a shinga like a Michelle demo. I am damn coming for you. I am damn coming for you. Physically, spiritually, anyway I will. Senor Buddha, I will go and do it face to face. Senor I'm coming for you. Ain't Christian anymore. I'm done with Christianity lie. I'm done with peg lie because Christian 99% of them they're peg. They're using power or whatever they guys. Just in case if you are one of those people who tie me down to enjoy my tears, get ready for your own. Backpack back, and package can you be received soon as possible. I'm done with Christianity, and please don't call me daughter of God again. Yes, for his own selfish interest. Now is my time to do my own selfish things. He doesn't care about my feeling as a human made a crit. Nope. I'm done between Satan and God. Satan is attacking me. God is attacking me because now it's time for me. I'm done with the Satan. I'm done with God. This is me. And that's it. This is me. I'm done between these two guys. I wasn't there. Then take a picture. I don't know how they start. Walter on hell on earth. I have to do what I have to do. I am not gonna run and get a free about a neck. I mean it. I am not gonna run and get a free about your girl, but a neck. Listen to this word, I'm not joking. I am not joking. I am not gonna run and get a blood tether, but a neck. I cried for many years. Enough is enough. And that's why I am done with God. I'm done with God. I am not gonna run, but a neck. Unless I have to be happy. One, not big. No. I am not gonna run, but a neck. That's why I'm not gonna run, but a neck. Cause neither nakana, Tami Yerka, neither Twitkana, Tami Yerka. They're doing good. They're doing good. Right now, I'm done with Christianity. So the Christian Mugora, Changalak, Chakanalak, already delete the order. Meet I'm killing the king Jacob here for 42 years this year. Just know that I'm coming for you. I will do it, my dear. I will do it. Guaram Chinaka, I'm not going to take her. It's the worst death ever. Nanjit for little Gira, you meet the jelly. But take do full of suffering. Nope. I'm done with that. And I'm telling you guys here, a ticket of God, pastor of God, I'm done with this. A time go quida. If you have done something, just know that your own is coming for you. I will go to any land. I will go to any land. Trust me. Me you wouldn't me like that. Just know that Nyachew is coming for you. Me didn't check me like that. Just know that Nyachew is coming for you. And no joke about that. No joke about that. Again, madam, again, guadong, again, damar, again, yumar, again, maida, again, whoever, unless you do not touch me. I am damn ready for those people. I've been living inside. Kodakur. God will help me. God is busy. God is busy doing his own things right now. And Lord, and I'm sure I will make it. Yatamal. Yeni Laura I can bong your me will come see me and knock. I will come back with you. Change the same Nyachew of yesterday. I'm different Nyachew. Nobody will play with me again like a toy. I'm not a toy. I am not a toy. I'm done with being toys. I'm done with being a toy. Paliakut, Changadi. I'm wanting Nicola Palkut. How many things did Chakula Palkut? Kanandi, Palkut. And what did he do? Nothing. Now, promote, you can eat in corn and call ngar. It's just keep promoting them, taking them higher, while I'm going down until zero. I'm done. I am damn done.